This is NOAA weather radio station KXI94 in Angola. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 11:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions. At Angola, skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 73 degrees, the dew point 73, and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.13 inches and steady. Around the region, at Chicago, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 78. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 75 at South Bend, 75 at Toledo, and 73 at Coldwater. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 73 at Sturgis, 72 at Hillsdale, 73 at Fort Wayne, 75 at Defiance, and 75 at Indianapolis. At Ann Arbor, the weather conditions were not available. Now here is the forecast. Rest of today, mostly cloudy late this morning, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. South wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, mostly clear with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. Southwest wind around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the lower 80s. West wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. West wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the evening. Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. South wind around 5 miles per hour, becoming southwest with gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 80%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the morning. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 30%. This is NOAA weather radio station KXI94 in Angola. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.